your Snapchat to your Instagram.
Every time I just drop the song, oh, she's in the recording in the studio. When the song will drop, when the song will drop.
You know, my whole fine.
Send me the song, I listen to that.
Yeah.
Then you know what I think about the song. So if I send her the song, she'll be like, the song is dope, but